Welcome to our channel, Vital Flow Wellness. Before we get started, it's important to note that the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. Today, we delve into a topic that's been stirring quite a buzz in the health community: seed oils. We'll uncover what they are, why they could be bad for you, and explore healthier alternatives. So buckle up for a journey of culinary enlightenment. Remember, always consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if you are seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. So what exactly are seed oils? Well, it's quite simple. Seed oils, as the name suggests, are oils that are extracted from the seeds of various plants. This process involves pressing the seeds until they release their oils, and then refining the resulting product to remove impurities. You'll find a variety of seed oils in your local supermarket, some of the most common ones being canola, sunflower, and soybean oil. These oils are often lauded for their high smoke points and versatility in cooking, making them a staple in many kitchens. However, the process of producing these oils is not as natural as you might think. The seeds are first cleaned and heated before being pressed. The oil that is extracted is then subjected to further processing, including refining, bleaching, and deodorizing. This is to ensure the oil is clear, odorless, and has a longer shelf life. While these oils are indeed derived from seeds, the process of extraction and refinement can strip away many of the natural nutrients found in the seeds. This results in an oil that is high in omega-6 fatty acids and low in omega-3 fatty acids, a ratio that is not ideal for our bodies. Now that we understand what seed oils are, you may be wondering, why would they be bad for us? Despite their prevalence in our diets, there are various reasons why seed oils may not be the healthiest choice. Let's delve into the specifics. One of the primary concerns surrounding seed oils is their high content of omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6s are essential for our body, they need to be balanced with omega-3 fatty acids. The modern diet, however, is disproportionately loaded with omega-6s, primarily due to the overconsumption of seed oils. This imbalance can lead to an inflammatory response in the body, which is often linked with a wide array of health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Another concern is the process of oxidation. Seed oils are highly susceptible to oxidation due to their chemical structure. What does this mean? When these oils are exposed to heat, light, or air, they undergo a reaction that leads to the formation of harmful compounds known as free radicals. These compounds can cause oxidative stress in our bodies, a condition that's been linked to aging and various chronic diseases. Furthermore, the production process of seed oils often involves high heat and chemical solvents. This not only accelerates the oxidation process, but also leads to the formation of trans fats. While trans fats are outlawed in many parts of the world due to their harmful effects on heart health, they can still sneak into our diet through seed oils. And let's not forget the environmental impact. The large-scale production of seed oils often leads to deforestation and habitat loss. So, not only are these oils potentially harmful to our health, but they also contribute to environmental degradation. In conclusion, while seed oils may seem like a convenient and cheap option, they come with a hefty price tag for our health and the environment. Their high omega-6 content, susceptibility to oxidation, and potential for causing inflammation make them a less than ideal choice for our diets. So, if seed oils aren't the best choice, what alternatives do we have? Let's explore some healthier oil options available to us. First, let's look at this: olive oil. It's a heart-friendly choice packed with monounsaturated fats known for their anti-inflammatory attributes. Olive oil is also brimming with antioxidants which shield your cells from harm. Now take a look at this next option: avocado oil. Just like olive oil, it's rich in monounsaturated fats. Its unique characteristic is its high smoke point, which makes it ideal for cooking at high temperatures. Moreover, it's packed with lutein, an antioxidant that's good for our eyes. And here's another option: coconut oil. It's a versatile oil high in saturated fats, which, despite popular belief, can be beneficial if used sparingly. The type of saturated fat in coconut oil is referred to as medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These fats are metabolized differently than other fats, providing a quick energy source and potential brain health benefits. But always bear in mind, while these oils, olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil, make for healthier alternatives to seed oils, they are still fats and should be consumed with care. It's always crucial to keep a balanced diet, incorporating a range of nutrient-rich foods. There we have it: Olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil, each with their unique attributes, are all excellent alternatives to seed oils while ensuring your health isn't compromised. Balance and moderation are the keys to a healthy diet. And that's a wrap on our discussion about seed oils and their alternatives. We've journeyed through the world of seed oils, unraveled their hidden dangers, and explored healthier culinary alternatives. The choices we make in our diets have a profound impact on our overall health. So, let's choose wisely. Opt for oils that nourish our bodies rather than those that may harm it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vital Flow Wellness for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, everyone.